What part are we on? Part 9? I believe that's what it is. So, we'll continue on with our story of Ratchet and Clank. We are
A
on
telepathopus
Gaspar.
brain is a wondrously complex organ. I might have to write a paper about it.
Do I continue on with collecting brains or do I go? Should I stay or should I go now? I'm gonna go. Okay, where do we go now? First, let me go to the Gadgetron machine.
Check out my inventory. I got the best
any
deals in the
upgrades?
galaxy.
I don't.
Probably.
Oh no, I just came from over there. Okay. I'm just gonna go back. Go back to the land from whence I came. Which is, I don't know. Where are we going now? Stop, douchey.
Okay, what's our destination?
The navigation computer indicates that an important message was left for us on planet Battalia.
Go to Battalia. I'm not done with this game yet. Looks like Hoth from Star Wars. Let's see what we got up here. Goodbye.
Get to the Starwood. Investigate it. Lord, who they're messing with.
Ratchet, come in! I'm engaging hostiles inside the city and I need backup!
Here comes Ratchet to save the day. Go! No fucking! What the fuck?
Incoming enemies.
Where do I go that way? Why don't I have my fucking jetpack?
Incoming enemies detected.
Yeah. Timeout, Clank. I want that. A predator one. Level up.
Good to see you guys. Come on, I could use your help clearing the city.
To help them Parallax.
Chairman Trek here. A brief warning to
Die,
my
bitches.
hard-working employees. Failure Star Watch will result in automatic dismissal from Trek Industries.
Come on, we've got to get across this bridge.
That's cool enough, but first, let me take a selfie. Where am I going with this? Got a feeling these two are the outside two. But yes. Okay. These are the two wide ones. Two wide ones go here and here. Without a doubt. But if they go there and there, then that one's not going to get lit up. Fuck! What the fuck? This is gonna fucking irritate this fucking shit out of me. I hate brain teasers. Oliver! Doggy, stop it. Right,
Yeah,
let me try it again. Or start it over again? Start it over again fresh? Okay. Those two can go there. I think I got it. Fuck! I understand that. I understand that. I understand that. Fuck, this isn't fucking telling me shit. Like, didn't get it. What am I doing here? Okay, those two have to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them, and then there's 4 lights. Fuck. It's optional. Do I really want to do this? That one through there. Hey, buddy. No.
Yeah, I'll do this
Do I really want to try it? This is gonna take up the entire video.
Yeah,
No, I'm
I'll
not gonna
solve this
try
later.
that. Is there even anything in there that I might want? Oh, there's a gold bolt up here. Any boxes? Let's help this lady out.
Mr. Zircon does not require bolts. His currency.
They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that boat crate! Why haven't you built them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand
Fucking
how
die,
dire
bitches.
this situation is? Do not fail me!
What? How'd I fucking die? God damn it. Oliver.
Come on! We've got to get across this bridge. They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that boat crate!
Mr. Zircon is here.
Built them!
Let me get this bitch drawn out.
Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand
Yeah, bitch.
how tired this situation is? Do not
Level up Mr. Zircon.
me.
Are the other two dead? I don't think so.
Mr. Zircon is here.
We need to extend the bridge. Hop on that full crank.
Rubertron these guys.
Galactic.
Fucking die, robot.
I hit him!
Oliver, come here. I hate these fucking
Five little dead little aliens.
5 little 4 little 5 little
Which
dead
Mr.
little
Zircon lives for.
Let me spin this bridge real fast. Go across.
Good work. Come
Let's
on.
figure out what the
Star
fuck
Watch
to
is
do
this
now.
way.
They're sending in a tank!
What?
If Skywatch does not fall, our mobility in this sector will be greatly inhibited.
Fucking seriously?
Will not
I don't want a
tolerate failure.
fucking tank.
He's down.
Okay, that was easy.
down. Nice shooting. Bet you never got to do anything like that on Belden.
What's Belden? Is that my home planet?
Come on, team, push forward.
Woo!
I'm guessing it's not a long back to natural habitat. Very funny.
Well, looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work. Here we go.
Another fucking tank? I need some fucking ammo right now.
Mr. Zircon cannot wait to kill you.
Did I get anything good? I got good. Tank here? Oh, it does!
Responsibility.
Fucking really? Fuck tanks.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Woo!
You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon intends to wreck the rivals.
Here we go. Well, looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work.
Mr. Zircon still hears hearts beating. Mr. Zircon, a concerto of suffering.
Die, bitches.
And did another tank.
Yay, more tanks. More tanks.
Attention all troops! HR says I can't fire or kill you for failing to terminate the Galactic Rangers. So, the board and I have decided to offer a little employee incentive. The Blarg who helped the Galactic Rangers meet their end will get an all-expenses-paid trip to the third ring of Hullabash.
Woo!
Parties, orbital dinner cruises. Why, I even heard they offer cooking classes.
I'm gonna take myself out just for that. That sounds awesome. Okay, I need to go refill my ammo real quick. Got one upgrade I can use. What do I want to use it on? Oh, I forgot I have that. No.
Those laser turrets could be a real problem for us. We're gonna have to find another way inside. You take point, I'll cover you.
Alright, Captain. I go up. Up and away.
Not bad, Ratchet.
Okay, I'm gonna get busy by doing this shit.
I don't like this at all. If Drek takes down Star Watch, there won't be anything standing between him and every planet in the system.
Ow!
Where's Captain Quark?
He said he had urgent Galactic Ranger business to attend to.
Weird. All right, I guess it's on us then.
That's it. I want to wait one more time for this to go through. Go, 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 go. Made it. These Magnum boots are such a nice convenience.
Okay, now see if you can deactivate the perimeter fusion turrets from inside.
Hey, team,
just wanted to say how proud of you I am. I'm sorry I can't be there with you today, but you know how hard these massages are to reschedule.
Really? Fucking massages, Captain Court? Fucking piece of crap. Look at all these boxes. Boxes for days. Oh, fucking blow up. Fucking blow up.
Ratchet, check your comms. I need to get inside. Look around for a bulk crate.
Yeah. Yeah. Did I really go inside? No, that door doesn't open. Get all these bolts. I need a new weapon. Papa needs a new weapon.
Look around for a bulk crate.
Shut up! I know what I'm looking for. I need you! Get back up here! There you are.
Drax's gonna throw everything he has at us. You ready for this?
No.
Been ready my whole life. Let's do it.
Mr. Zircon does not come and meet me.
Team's incoming!
Ow, bitch! I need that gold bolt.
Oh man, 2 tanks.
What? You fucking kidding me?
Mr. Zircon is here to
Kill these fucking tanks. Oh shit! Oh shit! We were trying to need you again.
Yeah, 1 tank down.
I am all of
Oh god, I don't have any ammo.
Victor von Iron! You can't even kill us galactic rangers! Where's your pride? You
Are you-
like living
are they both dead?
underground?
nanotech. Do you wish to take a nap too, Lombax?
Yes. I need a nap. I should have destroyed this fucking box. Because now I can't get that fucking gold bolt.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Let's go up this bridge. Oh, there's a taxi.
We're at the defense cannon, but it looks like the system's on lockdown. We need to get this thing online and fast.
Okay. Gotcha, boss. Hopefully this is easy.
Perhaps the trespasser will
This
be
lock
useful
has
here.
upgraded. Can you test it out? Excellent. Now it's perfect. Thanks. And be sure to use this new functionality from now on.
Oh! Oh! It's nice. I like that one.
Defense cannon online.
Nice work, Ratchet. Hop on the defense cannon. I'll cover you.
Okay. Yeah, time to blow some shit up.
It has to be. We're gonna take down those warships, one
Die, bitches.
Shooting down the smaller ships will charge your ion cannons ready. Fire!
Oh yeah.
I got it! Clank, did you see that? No, but congratulations.
No! Clank, you are a slacker.
Incoming missile detected.
Starwatch ion cannon armed.
Boom, bitch! Yo! Oh fuck! Okay.
Starwatch ion cannon at 25%.
Why are there no indicators for this? Oh, there are.
Starwatch ion cannon at 70.
Fire again! You got it! Nice shooting!
Starwatch ion
Die,
cannon
missiles.
at 25%.
Fucking too many missiles! Too much boosters. No, die. Die, die, die. Stop trying to kill me.
Starwatch ion cannon.
Cannons ready! Fire!
Boom! Woohoo! Woohoo!
They're retreating!
We did it!
That's what Trek gets when he messes with the Galactic Rangers.
Yeah! Woohoo!